Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Today's video is Fit at 45 on a high sugar diet. And I had 3 meals this day. The first meal was a smoothie at 1:30 p.m. I fasted throughout the morning, which I normally do, and I'm not hungry until around 12 or 1 o'clock. So my workout this day was a run. I went on a 3-mile run and I went pretty hard. So at 1:30 I was hungry. I made the smoothie. It had a cup of blueberries. It had a packet of acai. It had a scoop of peanut butter. Now that's optional. If you want to go zero fat, just leave out the peanut butter. If you need to lose weight, I recommend you leave out the peanut butter. Once you're shredded, you can add in some peanut butter to your high sugar diet. It's just fine. It had 6 bananas. Now these were frozen and I thaw them in hot water for about 4.5 minutes. They come right out the peel. And it also had a half a cup of coconut water and a half a cup of almond milk in the smoothie. Super delicious. Try this out. Let me know what you think on this one. It's one of my favorite smoothies to make these days. Blended that up in the Vitamix, and that makes a little over a liter. And it takes me about a good 30 to 40 minutes to eat that. I usually eat it with a spoon because it's super thick, and that's the way I like to do it. My second meal was at 5:30 p.m. This is a big salad. It had greens, cucumber, apple, dates, avocado, and carrots. One of my favorite combinations for the salad. Then at 7 p.m. I had dinner. I started off with a can of pineapple. So I love pineapple. I can't always get fresh, so I sometimes get it from that can. And I had these veggie bean burgers with some hot sauce on it. Had a bunch of potatoes and some grilled veggies with that as well. And then I was still a little hungry, so I had some Mary's crackers with hummus to finish it off. And that was it for the day. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box if you want to see some good recipes that I make on a regular basis. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.